So guys, now on our natural gas for the week. First of all, we will start on our daily time, or let's see our weekly time frame if it will actually give us. If you can see on our weekly time frame, we actually on a fall, right? And now we've actually had this pullback, and we can see this pullback was actually a legit area here. If you have to see it, so our pullback has actually gotten to this our legit area. What are we waiting for? Actually a fall again for the week. We will be closing bearish for the week. That is on our WTI crude oil, as this is also a let me highlight it well. This is also a legitimate key area here where our price pushes up, it falls down. I think like a pullback when we were on an uptrend move, we add this push up and a fall. So this is actually a legitimate key area here, also a key area here where our price pushes up, come back to test this area before continue bullish move. And now we broke below it and we've come to test this area. Now we are actually continuous on a downward trend for the week. That is on our weekly time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, as you can see, our price has tested this area and it has actually opened bear. On this Friday it has opened red, so we would possibly want to be going low, but I first of all would want to take profits around this key area here where our price reversed from, where we had this low, I'll call it our lower lows before our price reversed. So our advice, take your sell to this our low here. That should be giving us about 71 points, or 71 points if you have to take it. We like call it pips or any you want to see it, about 71. So we would want to be seeing a drop on our natural gas here. Then if it is possible, we might continue a bullish move or a continued downward trend, but I believe we'll continue downward on our natural gas for the way. So this week a drop on our natural gas, by the way. So that is on our daily time frame. And now for our time frame, we can see our 4-hour time frame. We started our bearish move. You can see a fall. We can see this retracement pullback and our fall again, breaking our previous lower lows. So a legitimate fall on our natural gas for the week.